girls and boys, how you all keeping? I hope you're keeping very well and I miss you all so very much. But what I would like you to do is join in our little art activity for Halloween. So what we're going to be doing, girls and boys and mummies and daddies, is making our little scary lanterns just like this one. And it's so easy to make, and we can set these at our doorstep and we can set them on the window, and when we turn the lights off they look fantastic and amazing. So all we need, girls and boys, is an empty milk carton when you're finished all your lovely milk, a black marker and glue sticks, and you'll get these in the pound shops, mummy and daddies. So all we need to do is get our little marker and colour in the top of your lid. It looks better when your lid's coloured in, but don't worry if you don't want to. That's fine. And all we need to do is get our milk carton here, and we draw a circle round. You know how to do a circle? And another circle down here. And if we give him a little nose and a big smiley face, and make him look scary by giving him lines across the front of his lips. And if we just colour the eyes in like so, and this eye like so, I cannot wait, girls and boys, to Halloween. I love Halloween parties and I love eating all the candy and the sweets. So if we pop that back on there, and I show you all the ones that I made earlier on, there we go. And to finish our last one off, we need to pop our glow sticks and just place them in here. That's how easy it is. And even if you want mummies, you can put a lantern in, but you would need to get mummies and daddies' help, girls and boys. You would need to cut a hole at the back to place the little lantern in so that it would light up. And if we just pop those in like that, how do they look? They look even better when all the lights are switched off. I'm going to turn our lights off, but I just want to wish you a very, very happy Halloween, and I hope you get some good candy. See you later, guys. Bye.